everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as I was dressing up, I was like, why not film myself applying my everyday makeup? And keep in mind that this is for oily skin, so I'm gonna be showing you every single product I use to make my makeup last all day, plus outfit included. So let's get straight to it.
I like to start off by spraying some Badescu just to refresh and hydrate my face, then apply this Ulta Fabolous face. You've seen me use it so many times. It's honestly a great primer and not expensive at all. So this is a great trick for oily skin. I apply my translucent powder before the foundation, and this does not only give you a matte look, but it also controls the excess oil production, meaning your makeup easily lasts throughout the day. Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation in Gingerbread. I'm not into color correcting, so I love when my foundation is matte and full coverage. Moving on to the contour, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. palette, and I love it because it's not only very cheap, about $6 or $8, but it's very creamy and easily blendable. Next will be the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Golden, $6, and has an amazing coverage and easily blendable as well. Then I'm gonna grab this brush and blend the contour first, then a beauty blender to blend where I highlighted my face. When I'm done blending, I always move on to my eyebrows before I bake. I don't know why. So the eyebrow pencil I'm using is the Precision Brow Pencil from Colourpop. I love how tiny the tip is. It makes the application very easy and quick. So I outline my brow first, then use the spoolie brush to distribute the product. Then use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean the little mess I made. And I only clean the bottom part because I feel like when you do both, like the top and bottom parts, it doesn't quite look natural. Then I use this brow pomade to fill in my brows. When I'm done with my brows, then I can bake, and I don't really bake my highlighted areas only anymore. I apply pretty much all over my face, as you can see. Then use the Urban Decay Bitch Bronzer to warm up my face, and I also apply it as an eyeshadow just because I'm not trying to do anything extra when I do my everyday makeup. I'd rather focus on my skin and keep it oil-free. Then use this fluffy brush to dust the excess powder off. Even though I don't do much when it comes to eyeshadow, I still have to do my wing liner. I feel like without it, my look is not complete. Then I apply some Badescu again to set my makeup. I forgot mascara, of course. Then moving on to the lips, I'm using the Wild Nothing lip liner from Colourpop. Then this Ultra Satin lip cream from Colourpop as well, and this is in Stud. So this is it. This is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Stay tuned every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, and until then, I will see you guys next time.